Testosterone is a hormone that is found in the human. It is produced in the ovaries and the testicles. Let me shock you. Testosterone is not only found in the men alone. It is found in the women and also other animals. Yes. Good day everyone and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as a nurse with a difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to naturally boost your testosterone level. Because I have gotten this question a number of times. Nurse Miss Mary, how do I boost my testosterone level? Especially from the men. So, but before we go into details in today's class, if you are new on our YouTube channel and these are content you are interested in, please click on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Miss Mary saying thank you. Let's go. Right, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with you natural ways to boost your testosterone level. You're not going to be boosting it with drugs, just natural ways. But before I go into details, I want to let you know something, that your testosterone level peaked, that is the production peak at the age of 19. And as you age, 30s, your 40s, it tends to decrease over time. It's a normal thing. It tends to decrease over time with age. I've said it over and over again in my videos. But here are some ways that will help you boost your testosterone level naturally. The first one I want to share with you is get enough sleep. You may want to ask, what is the relationship between sleep and testosterone hormone production? I'm going to tell you, so calm down. You see, these hormones, generally, they are produced at night when you are sleeping. So if you don't get enough sleep, the brain does not get the signal, oh, it's sleep time, let's produce a lot of hormone. It's night time, let's produce a lot of hormones. Because the brain feels that, oh, it's still day, it's not sleeping time, so there is no need to start my production. There's no need to start my production process. So the brain is relaxed. So, but when you get enough sleep, you are sleeping well, the brain is relaxed and the brain is ready to produce a lot of hormones, including the testosterone, which is a male hormone. It is usually advisable that 1 to 2 hours before you sleep, you keep your gadgets away, your phones, your laptop, you stay away from that, because those lights from your phones, from your laptop are sending message or signals to the brain, telling the brain that it's still bright, it's not night yet, he's not sleeping yet. So it is advisable 1 or 2 hours before you sleep, you stay away from your phones, you stay away from your gadgets, because sleeping is one of the natural ways you can boost your testosterone production. The second one I have to share with you is maintaining a healthy weight. Yes, excess fat in the body tends to inhibit hormone production, tends to inhibit testosterone hormone production, and also not having enough fat in the body also affects testosterone production. So having a healthy weight, not extremely fat, not being obese, and also not having a reduced BMI, not extremely thin, can affect your testosterone level. So in general, in summary, like I earlier said, you have to maintain a healthy weight. That takes me to the third point, which is enough fat in your diet. I know you said, oh, Nurse Miss Mary just said maintaining a healthy weight. That is why I said maintaining a healthy weight, not too fat. So having adequate or moderate fat in your diet is going to help increase your testosterone level. And this fat can be gotten from food like olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado, peanuts. Constant dieting or overeating is not ideal for testosterone production. So for those that are constantly dieting, for those that are constantly overeating, it is not ideal for testosterone production. Ensuring adequate and moderate fat in your diet is very important. So if you have been staying away from fat, you are not taking a little bit of all this fat I just listed up, it's advisable you take them to help you boost your testosterone level. Then the fourth point I have to share with you is exercise regularly. Yes, Exercising regularly is very important when it comes to testosterone production. I'm going to explain. When you don't exercise regularly, the brain doesn't get signals to increase metabolic activities. The brain doesn't get signal to increase production of the various hormones in the body, in which testosterone is part of it. So when you exercise regularly, it sends signals to the brain that you need some hormones, you need testosterone and other hormones. And I also want to let you know that though exercising regularly is good for the body, too much of it is also not good when it comes to testosterone production. That is why whatsoever you are doing, moderation is important. Not too much and not too less. Then the fifth point I have to share with you is stress. Cut down on your stress level. Why? When you stress yourself, you overwork yourself too much, you are stressed out, you are exhausted, this increases the stress hormone, which is known as cortisol. And when there's an increase, when there's an elevated increase in cortisol, there's going to be a decrease in the testosterone level. So an increased cortisol causes a decrease in testosterone. So if you want to increase your testosterone, try to manage your stress adequately. Try to cut down on those things. Try to avoid things that makes you stressed out, that makes you exhausted. Because when you are stressed out, this hormone called cortisol goes on a high level and causes a decrease in the testosterone level. So in addition to the 5 points I gave you to help you boost your testosterone level, I have to share with you 2 more additional points. The first one I have to share with you is vitamin D supplement intake. Yes, vitamin D supplement intake. Research has proven that men with high vitamin D level, they usually have high testosterone, while men with low vitamin D level have low testosterone. So this research that I'm showing on the screen is what I read that shows that, you understand, this research that was done. So if you want to improve your testosterone level, taking vitamin D supplements will also go a long way to help. Then another is reduce alcohol intake. Yes, the research has shown that people that take alcohol tends to have reduced testosterone level. There's a relationship. And also when you take alcohol, it's like within 30 minutes, there's going to be a decrease in your testosterone level. And regular intake or frequent intake of alcohol is likely going to increase your chances of having testicular atrophy and also reducing the testicular function. And we all know that the testicles are responsible for the production of testosterone. So these are the 2 bonus points I have to share with you alongside with the 5 points that I listed. So when you do this, I believe this is going to help you naturally boost your testosterone level. So these are the points I have to share with you today. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mary saying thank you. Bye and see you in our next video.